big news coming in. BBMP planning to declare 30 wards as containment zones. Once announced, nobody will be allowed to enter or exit the area. Several wards to be identified as containment zone due to increase in numbers in these particular wards. So more measures being taken on the ground to ensure that the spread of COVID-19 is contained at the maximum. Now, again, looking at the guidelines itself, the area around the house of a COVID-19, of any COVID-19 patient, is what is called a containment zone. And stringent measures will be put in place to contain the spread of COVID-19 in these containment zones that we're talking about. The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara is all set to identify and declare 30 wards in Bengaluru city as containment zones. For more on this, I'm being joined in by my colleague Arun, who is in fact connected us via Skype. Arun, if I were to come to you, essentially we're talking about 30 wards that may be declared as containment zone. Doesn't it stem from the fact that there have been cases identified here, and it's all about containment, it's all about ensuring that the houses are identified, the surroundings are sealed down. And again, what does it really mean for Bengaluru city going forward, given the fact that you're talking about 30 wards that may be completely sealed down?
Good morning, Adarsh. The news is very clear. The city fathers and the government is very, very keen that it should be business as usual at the earliest. But the fact that the pandemic is showing no signs, it's been relentless in its pursuit of human fatalities, is a bit of a worry. And that perhaps explains the reason why the BBMP, in conjunction with the Karnataka government, has decided that they will go ahead and announce the containment zones, 30 wards, where it is believed that you've seen a maximum spike up of cases. Obviously, these rules are very stringent, but you need these stringent rules at this point of time, because at this point of time, if you are seen to be a little bit lax or deviating from the norm, then the future could be a little bit extremely brittle, and more importantly, could be worrisome. Obviously, all of us want to get back to normalcy at the earliest, and for that, you need to cooperate with the authorities, ensure that the lockdown or seal down, as it is in certain wards, is enforced, and we follow it in letter and spirit. Now, as far as the lockdown is concerned, the containment zone part of it, we're given to believe that 3-kilometer radius is called the containment zone. Then, in addition to that, there is a buffer zone of about 5 kilometers. Obviously, the BBMP is a little bit worried, because remember, many of these wards are literally juxtaposed to each other. And the last thing that the BBMP warns is the incidence of COVID-19, going out of bounds, perhaps, going from one ward to another. And that perhaps explains the reason why they have come up with this concept of the buffer zone, which is a 5-kilometer radius from the containment zone. So in effect, it means 3 plus 5, 8 kilometers. You are trying to ensure that you restrict the movement of people, and at the same time ensure that you are trying to contain the pandemic. This is a very welcome move, because remember, the government, as I have said a little bit earlier, is very keen. They want business as usual, but for that to take place, they have to see the curve flatten out. They want to see lesser number of positive cases, and more importantly, lesser number of fatalities. At this point of time, we have crossed the double-digit mark. It is a bit of a worry. Of course, nowhere compared to, say, either Kerala or, for that matter, even Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. But we don't want to go that way. Let us join hands with the authorities. Let us ensure, yes, it is going to be a bit of a bother. You have young children. You have people who want to move about, their mobility is impacted, but then this is only for a short span of time. Let us adhere to the rules and regulations as mandated by the authorities, ensure that we follow the lockdown rules, because this is vital not just for yourself, it is for your family and the community at large, Adarsh.
Many thanks, Arun, for joining us with those inputs.